Hello, food lovers. If you're always rushing out the door, don't skip breakfast. Just make it smarter. Here are some delicious meals you can whip up in 5 minutes or less. Start with creamy scrambled eggs on crispy toast for a classic protein packed breakfast. Prefer something lighter? Try avocado toast topped with cherry tomatoes and a sprinkle of black pepper. Need something you can drink on the go? Blend up a refreshing strawberry banana smoothie, or fuel your morning with a rich protein shake made with milk, banana, oats, and peanut butter. Craving something warm? A creamy hot chocolate paired with whole grain toast makes for a comforting start to the day. Or, if you need an energy boost, pour yourself a chilled iced coffee with a splash of milk, perfect for busy mornings. Fast, tasty, and satisfying, there's no excuse to skip breakfast. Which one are you trying first? Let me know, and don't forget to follow for more quick and delicious food ideas.